It's a 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In the face of the most challenging terrain, this Alfa Romeo stands tall. Stelvio is a high-performance SUV with the heart and soul of a hero. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, rear parking sensors, AM/FM satellite radio, remote engine start, leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and refrigerated box located in the console. Alfa Romeo, a history of success, victory, and innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.